Our topic today is reproduction in plants. All class say it together.
Reproduction in plants.
Okay, so the outline of this topic is going to be the definition of reproduction. We are going to look at the types of reproduction. We look at forms of the types of what? Reproduction. Let's see if we can cover this in this short time that we have. So I sent a video to your platform, to my YouTube channel, one of my videos explaining reproduction in plants. I did ask you to make a summary of the concept of reproduction in plants. So let's see what we have learned from home already. So we are going to be answering two questions. What definition of reproduction and the types of reproduction. So anyone? Reproduction. Emmanuel.
Reproduction can be defined.
Louder, please.
Reproduction can be defined as the act of giving birth to young ones of its kind.
Reproduction is the process of producing young ones of the same kind. Alright, that's brilliant. So what are the types of reproduction?
Asexual reproduction.
Asexual and sexual reproduction. Please, a round of applause. We want to learn the types of reproduction from our culture, right? Yes. So I did ask you to go home and ask your parents and guardians the different types of crops that they plant in their village or in their town and what they use in planting those crops. So let's see how many of you did this home task. Where do you come from? What type of crop is planted in this where you come from, and what do they use to plant this crop? So who want to go first? Let's hear you.
What we used to plant the yam is yam cotton. We rub ash on the yam cotton and plant it.
Oh, please. So let's note what they use. So she said, rather, planting of what?
Yam.
Of yam. Using what?
Yam cutting.
Yam cutting. Let's note that we are coming back there. Who wants to go next? Yes, let's.
I'm from Badagry in Lagos, and we plant banana and plantain. They use the sucker, which is also called the roots.
Oh, bring. She said, planting of a banana and plantain using the sucker, right? Yes. It grows. All right, let's clap for Isaac. Okay, so he said planting of maize using seeds. Planting of maize using seeds. That's brilliant. I want one more.
My name is Solami. I'm from Kano State. In Kano, we plant onion. We use the young growing onion called bulb to plant onion.
Please, let's clap for her. So she said planting of onion using the bulb. Using what? Now, what is the significance of this home task? The significance is that the 4 students that have given us or that have explained what they plant and what is being used to plant this crop, they have actually taught us the types of reproduction. The first, second, and the last example have something in common. Each of these crops are being planted using one single parent. You don't need 2 yams to come together to cut the yam. Right? You don't need 2 onion bulbs to get an onion. You just need 1. You don't need 2 plantains to get what? A new one. You only need what? 1. Now, once a single parent is involved, that mode of reproduction is asexual reproduction. What do I call it?
Asexual reproduction.
Once it is one parent, it is what?
Asexual reproduction.
Now, the third example here is use of seed. We cannot get a seed without bringing 2 parents together. That will be our next topic, which says pollination. Which says what?
Pollination.
For a seed to be produced, the male part of a flower must meet with the female part of the flower for it to produce a seed. Now, once there is a mixing of a male part of the flower and a female part of the flower called gametes, this is what we call sexual reproduction. So, sexual reproduction involves how many parents now? Two parents. Now, another difference is that this does not involve gametes or sex cell, while this involves gametes or sex cells. So that will be all for this short class. In our next class, we'll look at other examples of asexual and sexual reproduction. And we will also look at the process of pollination. I hope you did enjoy the class.
Yes.
I hope you did enjoy the class.
Yes.